What I'd like to do now is actually show you how the brain changes dramatically as a person begins the transcendental meditation technique. So what I've done is selected 4 leads, 4 points on the scalp. This front top one is the front left of the brain. This bottom 4th one is the front right. These are eye blinks here. These 2 are in the back part of the brain. So those with the eyes are the front part of the brain. That's your executive centers. The back is your visual processing center. The point I want you to notice is a number of things. What's going on in the front of the brain is different than what's going on in the back. Also notice how active, how thick these signals are. This is very fast processing. What we'll do now is we'll have Dariana close her eyes, and she'll begin the TM technique. And what you'll notice is one thing is this fast activity will begin to disappear, and you'll see very slow rhythmical activity. And you'll also see it in all the different sensors. So now close your eyes, begin to meditate. So that's been 6 seconds. And now notice this back part of the brain. Here's the rhythmical alpha activity. It was first seen here in the back of the brain because this is your visual center. When you close your eyes, that part of the brain can rest. Notice as well, we see this rhythmical resting rhythm of the cortex here in the front of the brain. That whole mental chatter that's constantly going on, evaluating, deciding, planning, worrying, all of that is settling down as the whole conscious experience is becoming more whole, complete. What we'll do now is just watch the brainwaves for about 2 minutes while Dariana meditates. Thank you, Dariana. So you can stop meditating now. Notice as soon as I spoke, the frontal alpha disappears. What happens is during TM, the attention is turned within. All of mental awareness is settling down. You hear a sound, attention goes without. And as attention goes out, localized parts of the brain are processing. So the point I wanted you to see is how quickly the brain changes and how it's really fundamentally different than just waking, eyes closed experience.